Princess Diana was known for her elegant and sophisticated style, especially when it came to wearing suits. She often wore tailored suits with clean lines and classic cuts. One of her signature looks was pairing a well-fitted blazer with a matching skirt or trousers. She was also fond of bold colors and patterns, and she wasn't afraid to experiment with different textures and fabrics. Diana often accessorized her suits with statement jewelry, such as bold necklaces or earrings, to add a touch of glamour to her outfits. Princess Diana's suit style was timeless, chic, and always carried a touch of her unique personality.
In 1997, Diana asked an exact designer and artist, who was a personal friend of the princess, to commission a top handbag. The result was a styled as the Princess Diana handbag, which ended up as one of her go-to accessories.